Full of zest, full of finesse. Them can't believe, say me up next. Can't believe I get a youth, I get them upset. You're not full of bad mind like crap full of shit. Try set me up every day, them a snitch. Find me target, no my aim, no my reach. Me I run away, but me never roll in. Real, yeah, my girl up on the phone. But no way they home and they feeling at home. But then I'm still them.
Hi guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. My name is Janelle Johnson. If you're new here, welcome, and if you're returning, thank you so much. And guys, don't forget to like, share, comment, and subscribe. And I hope you guys enjoy.
Say what you wanna say to me now. I wanna wake up with you in the morning. Show me there's nothing fake to me now. I wanna wake up with you in the morning. Say what you wanna say to me now. I wanna wake up with you in the morning. Show me there's nothing fake to me now. I wanna wake up with you in the morning. Turn this room, turn it to an ocean. Let me float around. Eyes closed, like we're dreaming even when we're not. You and me got a whole other meaning, I don't know how. You and me just know how it feels when we're falling in love. Say what you wanna say to me now. I wanna wake up with you in the morning. Show me there's nothing fake to me now. I wanna wake up with you in the morning. Say what you wanna say to me now. I wanna wake up with you in the morning. Show me there's nothing fake to me now. I wanna wake up with you in the morning. Like we can do nothing at all. So what, if you're stupid then you know it's nothing wrong. You and me got a whole other meaning, I don't know how. You and me just know how it feels when we're falling in love. Say what you wanna say to me now. I wanna wake up with you in the morning. Show me there's nothing fake to me now. I wanna wake up with you in the morning. Say what you wanna say to me now. I wanna wake up with you in the morning. Show me there's nothing fake to me now. I wanna wake up with you in the morning. Say what you wanna say to me now. I wanna wake up with you in the morning. Show me there's nothing fake to me now. I wanna wake up with you in the morning. Say what you wanna say to me now. I wanna wake up with you in the morning. Show me there's nothing fake to me now. I wanna wake up with you in the morning. Turn this room, turn it to an ocean. Let me float.
My face has been breaking out a lot recently. I'm not quite sure why, but all I'm going to do is just increase my water intake and watch what I eat. I won't stress about it. Girl forgot to shave her arm. Anyways, it's time to talk to God and do my assignments.
Fools like them, they suss me out and then they ghost. Girls like me are like a magnet to a knife. Can like a lighthouse from the ocean. I set them on devotion and show them my thoughts. Fools like them, they suss me out and then they ghost. I found a rainbow in the shade, the shadiest of places, a better one I saw. I said, oh, I've been love somebody. Oh, can you even let me get that close? Baby, before you color me, boy, you don't know what's underneath your skin. Well, do you love yourself? Before you come and waste my time, boy, you don't know the read your mind. Well, do you love yourself? Baby, before you color me, boy, you don't know what's underneath your skin. Well, do you love yourself? Before you come and waste my time, boy, you don't know the read your mind. Well, do you love yourself? Like me, like a magnet to a knife. Can like a lighthouse from the ocean. I set them on devotion and show them my thoughts. I said, oh, I've been love somebody. Suss me out and then they oh, can you even let me get that close? Suss me out and then baby, before you color me, boy, you don't know what's underneath your skin. Well, do you love yourself? Before you come and waste my time, boy, you don't know the read your mind. Well, do you love yourself? Baby, before you color me, boy, you don't know what's underneath your skin. Well.
This is how my yogurt turned out, but it was really good, like really, really good. And you know, I had to add my fries and my milkshake. Anyways, today's exchange, and we're doing Tintin, Bros Tintin, and lashes. Here's the results.
Well, do you love yourself? Before you come and waste my time, boy, you gotta know the read your mind. Well, do you love yourself?
Today I decided to bring my daughter to see Little Mermaid. I did her hair, got her dress. She looks so cute, you know? Anyways, this is us on our way. Bro, she basically slept through it all, like most of it. In the beginning, I had to fight her to keep her glasses on, and then she just snuck out. So I'm like, oh well. But it was really nice. It's really nice. I should really do it more often. But, you know, she have her miserable time. Look at her. All she want to do is walk on her own thing.
I told you I'm not here to mess around, and you've been acting too mysterious. You didn't think I'd go, but do you now? You never took me seriously. You don't have the time for me. I don't have the time to please you. I'll pack all your things away. You're welcome. But can't promise you to got me out of work. I'm leaving and I'm never coming back. Don't wanna deal with you, don't wanna feel for you. It's your loss. But can't promise you to got me out of work. I'm leaving and I'm never coming back. Don't wanna deal.
You can't forget your hassle. So try to teach.
This is a really nice place. Like, it's my second time here and I love it. Like, it's kids friendly. The ambiance is amazing. And they have like games, I think golf and some other stuff. I never really venture around there, but yeah, and live music. And you just request a song, and if he knows it, he'll sing it. And I look at it, it's just so nice, so peaceful. Right now, like I feel so nice. Like I am so happy that I took the time to come here by myself, enjoy my own company, just just me.
Say what you wanna say to me now. I wanna wake up with you in the morning. Show me there's nothing fake to me now. I wanna wake up with you in the morning. Say what you wanna say to me now. I wanna wake up with you in the morning. Show me there's nothing fake to me now. I wanna wake up with you in the morning. Turn this room, turn it to an ocean. Let me float around.
Good morning. Good morning. Good morning.
Say what you wanna say to me now. I wanna wake up with you in the morning. Show me there's nothing fake to me now. I wanna wake up with you in the morning. Say what you wanna say to me now. I wanna wake up with you in the morning. Show me there's nothing fake to me now. I wanna wake up with you in the morning. Turn this room, turn it to an ocean. Let me float around. Eyes closed, like we're dreaming even when we're not. You and me got a whole lot of meaning, I don't know how. You and me just know how it feels when we're falling in love. Say what you wanna say to me now. I wanna wake up with you in the morning. Show me there's nothing fake to me now. I wanna wake up with you in the morning. Say what you wanna say to me now. I wanna wake up with you in the morning. Show me there's nothing fake to me now. I wanna wake up with you in the morning. We can do nothing at all. So what? If you're stupid then you know there's nothing wrong. You and me got a whole lot of meaning, I don't know how. You and me just know how it feels when we're falling in love. Say what you wanna say to me now. I wanna wake up with you in the morning. Show me there's nothing fake to me now. I wanna wake up with you.
We're going on a trip in a little rocket ship, sailing through the sky. The other side. I don't know, but yeah. So I'm going out for the weekend, going over my cousin. Yeah, but I was going to wear this dress, and I was like, no, it's a little bit too much. The place hot and everything. So I decided to go with jeans. But anyways, I don't know where we're going, but let's see, right? Bro, I don't even remember what time I went to bed last night. I was nice. That was an experience. But this is so cozy. Yeah, me coming out with my bonnet. Oh God, so ghetto. So hi, Shauna. Say hi to my team. Good morning. Hi.
The night after.
Yeah, bro. Last night was nice too. It was simple and nice.
Last night was a vibe.
So, who can guess where I'm going next? I have this weird obsession with red all of a sudden. Like, my favorite color was blue. I know all of a sudden I'm just obsessed with red. Literally. Like, I have so many red things now. Time for some fun!
Trying to get drunk.
Yeah. So we went to Victory Creek Waterfall in Roswell and it was amazing. Like I saw lots of married couples taking pictures. I don't know if it's like a thing, but it was great. The little walk, the trail, and like the view was amazing. Like I took a lot of videos, but yeah, a lot of videos and pictures. Like it was so peaceful. And you know I love nature, so I enjoyed it so much. Like I want to do it. I wish I could do it like every Sunday or something. This is amazing. Hi guys, so if you're reached this far, I just want to say thank you so much for watching. And don't forget to like, share, comment, and subscribe.